So it's a WYZE or a WYZE camera, WYZE. It looks a lot like my other cameras, but this one is rated for indoor and outdoor. So that's cool because I want it for outside. So I've already got the WYZE camera app on my phone. Let me bring it up here. So now I've got my screen record on here. I'll put it here on the screen somewhere. Anyway, I'm just going to click on my app, and you can get it from the App Store, whether it's the Play Store or just a regular App Store. You click on your WYZE app, and you will see all your cameras that I'm showing you right here, maybe. And let's see, I don't know how that's going to work. Let me just turn on the camera frame here so you can see me over there. I guess it's over there somewhere from the office. I'm going to do the one for the driveway, and you can see the one for the driveway, and that one is actually a motion camera. See, I can move it, you see. Yeah, pretty neat. So anyway, that's not what I want to show you. We're going to hook this camera up, and then we're going to pair it with the app that I've already got with my other cameras and see how that works. So we're going to follow the directions here exactly as they say and see how it works. So let's just close all this off, go to my home screen, stop recording for now, and let's just read this. Inbox. Well, this is everything you get in the box. You get the power supply, you get a cable, you get some mounting screws, and if you want to mount this plate somewhere, you can, and it's pretty cool. If you don't want to put a screw in it to mount it, you can use the adhesive that comes with it and stick it somewhere, and then your camera has a magnet on it, and it will hold it in place just like that. Just like that. So now let's get on with it and see how this works. Oh, by the way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up. And after watching the video, if you like this camera, there's an associate link down below in the description. You click on it, it'll take you to my little store, and this will be right on the front page, and they're like $30. It's cheap, and they're wireless. So let's get on with it. So next, let's see instructions. Download the app, which I've already done. Sign in and create an account, which that's self-explanatory. Connect the camera to a power outlet and wait for 20 seconds or until the status light flashes red. Well, that's all well and good, but I'm going to do one other thing first. You have to put a micro SD card in here, and it hasn't said anything about it on the setup yet. So I'm going to go ahead and take this time to tell you. There's a slot in the bottom here, and they have little weatherproof caps on them. One of them is for the SD card, and the other one is for a reset button. And sometimes you do have to reset them, but not very often. So now the card is over there, I forgot to get it. Let me get the card and take it out of the package, put it in the camera, and then we'll hook it up to power. And also, I usually send this micro SD cards or mini SD cards, and I use the class 10. This speeds up to 80. I do use some up to 98, but they had a deal on these, so I bought some of these. And there's some that are a lot cheaper, but I wouldn't recommend getting a cheaper one because you get what you pay for. So cheap SD cards are not a good idea. Now I gotta open this thing. Let's see. So now when you get it out, it's very small. And I'm gonna put it in here, and it has a little directional thing on it that shows you which way it goes. And then you just push it down in there till it clicks, and it's in place. Now you put the little weatherproof cap right. So So now that I've got the SD card in and got the weather cap back on, I'm going to take this little screen off. Right here, it's a little screen protector. I'm taking that off. And now I'm just going to sit this back that way so it'll sit upright. And I'm going to take the little cord and plug it in. And that has a rubberized little case on it too, which makes it weatherproof or water resistant or whatever, moisture resistant. And plug this in. Now let's start over again. We downloaded the app. We've got it connected. We got our password. We got the account set up. And make sure you use the free account. You don't have to use the paid account. There's two different ones. Okay, so now we're going to plug this in the outlet. Let me turn my phone on, get it unlocked. Okay, we started recording, and we'll click on the app. So now we've got the app up and running. Connect the camera to power outlet. Wait for 20 seconds until the status light flashes. Press and hold for 3 seconds.
Ready to connect.
Ready to connect. I'm going to click the plus sign on my app. Add a device, camera, WYZE cam, next. And there you go. I didn't do anything real complicated. I just cut a little piece of metal, and this is a magnetic. It sticks on here. Run the cable up there through the trusses up there and around there and plugged it in. And otherwise it's wireless, and it works off your Wi-Fi in your house straight to your phone, and you can record it to your phone. So let's get down here and see what it looks like from the street. So it's not really that noticeable from the street. As you can see, I've got 5 cameras out. I say 4 cameras out here, but you can't really see them.